this, so problem 2.9, solve for x and y positive this systems of equations. Okay, x to the y is equal to y to the x, and y is equal to 3 times x. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to take logarithms in the first equation, and you end up with this. But now we know that y is 3 times x, so I'm going to plug it in 3 times x logarithm of x, and then x logarithm of 3x. And so because x is positive, we know it's not 0, we can just cancel it out because we can divide it by both sides by x. And so we have 3 logarithm of x and logarithm of 3x. There are two ways to deal with this. The first one, let's say, this is the logarithm of x squared, sorry, x to the cube, and then this is the logarithm of 3x. And so we know the logarithm is an injective function, so this is exactly the same as this. Okay, or in other words, this is x times x squared minus 3 equal to 0, but we know that x is positive, so x cannot be 0, so then x squared has to be 3, and so this means that x has to be the square root of 3, again because x is positive. Okay, the other way to deal with this is to use the properties of the logarithm. So we have 3 times the logarithm of x is the logarithm of 3 plus the logarithm of x. Okay, so this is just using the properties of the logarithm. So this is 2 times the logarithm of x is the logarithm of 3, or in other words, the logarithm of x is 1/2 the logarithm of 3, or the logarithm of the square root of 3. And because we know that the logarithm is an injective function, then x has to be